There is this one question that everyone keep on asking is why every engineering student must learn data and AI on Databricks. First of all, recently I posted something on LinkedIn, which I felt was necessary, a message to go for every student who is right now doing the engineering. So if you are studying like electrical, mechanical, civil, electronics, so we think that data and AI is not for me. It's only for like computer engineers and all right. So that is not the case. So that's why I posted this message in which I'm mentioning that the future is not just going to be domain expert. For example, you become an electrical engineer, you have all the knowledge of electrical engineering and all. But what we are seeing as a transformation in every industry is that particular industry is becoming AI savvy or data savvy. So, an engineer who is building his career in electrical engineering must also understand how data and AI works. Let me give you an example of each and every such type. So, let's say an electrical engineer is working on streaming IoT data, and his responsibility is to predict the grid failures. This is a very natural scenario. Similarly, a mechanical engineer is analyzing a vibration to prevent machine breakdowns. So he must know what the data is coming, how it is getting processed, how an AI is working on it. Civil engineer combining GIS plus sensor data and is helping to design the smart city. So these are a couple of examples. Let me also give an example of an electronics engineer who is working on a telco and he is getting data from multiple towers of what is their health and all, right? And how to process that data, how to take action, how to do a predictive maintenance on the on that data. For that, he would definitely need his domain knowledge plus data and AI knowledge as well. All of this is possible today because you have a freely available data and AI platform. The world's best platform, which is Databricks, is available for free, and you don't need to be a full-time data scientist. You just need to bring in your knowledge, a domain knowledge, and then start learning data and AI on that platform. You need to learn couple of things, which I will definitely start putting the videos on, is how to bring it into the tables, how to run SQL, how to create dashboard, how to create machine learning and AI models to amplify your message. So my message to the student was like, don't wait until graduation. Start blending your engineering fundamental skills with the data and AI learning. And I'm going to help into that. So just now we saw a myth that AI is only for computer engineers. No, AI is for all. And AI is as good as its data. How AI works is it tries to judge or tries to take a decision based on the data and insights. So you need to have a good data behind it. So to learn or to become a good AI engineer, you must learn the data behind. Now, where to learn? As I mentioned, Databricks has a freely available platform, so you can learn on it. I have even one video. There is another post which I can show you, in which I have mentioned like how like each and every feature is on Databricks free platform. So this is just the introductory video. I have not put much on it, but you can definitely you can definitely go to my LinkedIn post and check this out. There is a small 2-minute video in which I'm showing how am I using transaction data and then building an app on top of it. And this is all done on a free Databricks edition. Apart from that, echoing my thought, Databricks has also put in few things in last 1 or 2 days. It's just like a destiny. Okay? What database has done is they have put reference architecture for multiple engineering domains or multiple industries in which database platform can be used. So if you click on explore architecture, you would not just see an energy grid operation reference architecture, which is related to electrical engineering, industrial AI, again related to manufacturing. There is a supply chain architecture there, there is healthcare architecture present. So all these things are present as a reference architecture, which we will learn one by one. How, let's just take one example of it quickly. Let's take an example of a telecom network performance architecture. So how the data from multiple like transport network, radio, core network. and all these things can be collected, can be processed into different layers, and then we can create insights and dashboards on top of it. We can build alerts, we can build similar AI to work on these things. So this is just one example. You can see like there are ample number of examples present here. So what we will do in this series is we will just initially try to cover the introduction of database platform, freely available data in our platform can help you to learn this, and quickly we'll move over to the industry specific domain